Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can restart Honor Magic V5. Alright, we have two methods how we can restart this device, and let me show you both of them. So the first and the most common method is a simple reboot using the power menu. This method is recommended, for example, when we have little problems, for example, with lighting the device, when apps are opening with... when it takes a pretty long time before the app opens, for example, or when we have little problems, for example, with that the apps doesn't want to launch. And the reboot can help with it. It helped me a few times. So to perform a simple reboot, we need to launch the power menu first, and we do it by clicking the power button and the volume up button, just like that. Now all we need to do is to tap on the restart, then tap on again, then the device will be turned off, then turn on again automatically after a few seconds, and it will be again ready to use. Also, rebooting your device from time to time, for example once a week, can also help with the performance of this device, because simply during the reboot the phone rests, we can say it that way, and also the RAM gets freed up, and thanks to that our device might start working a little bit better. When it comes to the second method, it's called the force restart, and this method is recommended basically when we cannot perform a normal reboot, or for example when a screen is locked, I mean when it's frozen, unresponsive, or when the phone is completely frozen. To perform that kind of restart, we need to use the two-button combination. We need to hold the power button and volume down button for around 10 seconds at the same time until the phone turns off. So keep holding both of the buttons. Don't worry that you have taken a screenshot, it happens, but simply keep holding power button and volume down button. And when the phone vibrates, you can release your fingers. You can see that the Honor logo appeared on the screen, and now we just need to simply wait until the phone turns on. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.